Welcome to Vanier Sustainability. My name is Mariah and I'm one of the sustainability team members here at the college. You're here today, I'm assuming, because you want to know a little bit about how Vanier is going green. And I want to keep it short and sweet because I know you have a lot of information coming your way during open house. So the main way that Vanier is going green is through its commitment to carbon neutrality. So the college in 2019 decided that it was going to work towards carbon neutrality. We haven't set our target date yet, we're working on it. But it means that all of the decisions that we make in the coming years are really going to be geared towards this goal. We have been growing our sustainability team with that in mind. So we have a manager who looks at sustainability from an infrastructural side, myself who looks at sustainability from a student engagement perspective, a coordinator in academics who looks at sustainability from the sustainability major, two garden coordinators who oversee the Vanier Collective Community Gardens, a team of volunteers, and a slew of other people who are engaged and committed to sustainability and growing the sustainability dossier at Vanier. Like I already mentioned, we have a sustainability major, so you can look at sustainability through education and how that applies to your programs. We have student volunteering, so we have a group of committed volunteer students called VC5 who are looking at creating ways to get engaged in sustainability and share that information with others. We also have the Vanier Gardens, which provides employment and volunteering opportunities, as well as ways to learn more about urban agriculture and biodiversity while you're here on campus. And if you want to know more, like I said, this is a short and sweet version of sustainability here at Vanier. You can always visit our website. We are a college committed to going to carbon neutral. We are a fair trade campus. We are members of ASHI and Environnement Jeunesse and a whole slew of other things. So please come check it out and don't be shy. Drop us a question if you want to know more.